Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete all watched videos on Facebook in mobile. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, head over to the hamburger menu. And here you'll see an option of settings and privacy. It's a drop-down box, and here head over to the settings option. Scroll down until you see the option activity log under your activity section. So head over there and scroll left until you find this option of videos watched. So tap on it, and as you can see, I have already cleared my videos. There is no certain option, but if you haven't cleared your videos, there might be an option of clear watched videos. So you just need to click on it, and there will be your videos cleared all over your Facebook. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.